They say the laws that we have in place aren't strong enough to deter drunk driving. Well, now MADD is getting mad and trying to change that. ABC 2 News' Katrina Bush with the role they hope the ignition interlock system will play.
Well, Kelly, according to the CDC, ignition interlocks reduce repeat drunk driving offenses by 67%. For Mothers Against Drunk Driving, that's a number they just can't ignore. It is proven to save lives. That's how Mothers Against Drunk Driving describes legislation its leaders have taken to Annapolis.
I know many victims of drunk driving crashes and impaired driving crashes, and for me, it's about saving lives. It's about keeping our roadways and keeping our families safe.
Lisa Spicknall has been working with victims for 15 years and says a bill MADD is proposing will reduce the number of victims they see every year. It's called the Drunk Driving Reduction Act of 2015.
Essentially what that will do is put an in-car ignition interlock in everyone who is convicted at a .08 or above for impaired driving.
As the law stands now, a device that prevents a vehicle from starting if alcohol is detected on the driver's breath or ignition interlock is required for offenders only if their blood alcohol content is .15 or above, nearly twice the legal limit. Spicknall says lowering that level for first-time offenders will no doubt prevent drunk driving deaths in Maryland the same way it has in other states that have passed similar laws, 24 altogether.
We see so many deaths each and every year that are needless, senseless deaths, and we can prevent them, and this is step one in how to prevent them.
It's a step that gets a different reaction depending on who you talk to.
You shouldn't be drinking and driving, so I think it would work. It should work.
It's a hard decision to make if you're going to be drinking and driving. You know, take a cab would be the smart move. But, you know, to me, if it's such a problem, make it illegal. You know, ban alcohol.
Spicknall says a House Judiciary Committee vote was postponed from Friday to Monday. MADD getting wind the chairman was trying to kill the bill. Still, she's hopeful it will make it through.
I want my family to be safe. I want your family to be safe, and this is how we do that.
And according to MADD, in the states that have already passed similar legislation, drunk driving deaths have declined at better pace than the national average. Katrina Bush, ABC 2 News.